Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's quick video, you are going to see how to remove labels from Google Maps. So let's get right into it. To do that, head over to your Google Map. Once you're in your Google Map, head over to the saved section right here. Then go to labeled, tap on the three dots icon, tap on add label. And here you can either write an address or you can also add in the map. So choose on map, tap on map. And here just pin any location. Suppose I'm pinning this one, tap on save and just add a custom name. Suppose I'm doing ABCD and tap on done. And if you go back, here you find your labeled place. So if we want to delete this place, the labeled place, so what we will do is go to our saved option right here, go to labeled and tap on the three dots icon just right beside the labeled and tap on remove label and the label is removed. So yeah, this is how you can just remove your labels from your Google Map. Hope this video will help you out and we will see you in the next one.